Hello, welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. In this video, I will cover previous year maths questions related to CTET Paper 1, which was conducted in the month of December 2018. Let's move on to the first question. Given 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5. First, take the LCM of denominators. So, 3, 5. As we have no common factors between these two numbers, straight away you can multiply in order to get LCM. So, 15 is our LCM here. Right, 15 here, 3 5 times, so 10 here, 5 3 times, so 12 here, so 22 by 15. It is a improper fraction, so convert this into mixed fraction. So 15 ones are 7 remains here and 15, 1 7 by 15. Third one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. For the given shapes, which one of the following statement is not correct? They are asking about incorrect statement. Okay. Here, first one is parallelogram. Okay. Second one is square. Third one is rectangle. The fourth one is rhombus. Now we check all these statements one by one. First one is wrong. All are parallelograms. Second one of them is not a parallelogram. We have three figures which are not parallelograms. So this statement is correct. Let's check other two statements as well. Two of them are rhombuses. Now we have only one rhombus here. So this is also not correct. Two of them are rectangles. We have only one rectangle here. This is also wrong. Second one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which one of the following represents the number 11,1111? So first one is, if you observe, we have 6 digits here. That means 1,11,111. This is not correct. Let's check the third option. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. It's going in crores. So this is also not correct answer. Let's check the fourth option. They have given in Roman numbers. Okay. So 11, 11, 11. It is also 6-digit number. That means it is in lakhs. So it is also not correct. Second one is our answer. How? We'll check here. What they have given 11,000 first. Write 11,000 here. 1100. 1100 here. And then 11. Add up all these values. You will get the answer. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. This is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. The points A and B represents numbers on a number line as shown below. The distance between the points A and B is. We have to calculate the distance between A and B. Okay. I'll draw the line here. Okay. Initially we have 25,000 here. Somewhere here we have 39,000. Okay. Somewhere here we have 61,000. Now represent these dots also. Okay, how many dots we have here? From 25,000 to 39,000. First dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. So first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So I have total 8 dots. That means how many gaps we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gaps we have. First take the difference of these two numbers. Okay. 39,000 minus 25,000. 0, 0, 0, 4, 1. 14,000. Divide this 14,000 by 7 gaps. So that we will get each gap. Okay. Each gap is 2,000 here. Now simply find the gaps between A and B on the number line itself. Okay. First A, here 1 gap, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So totally we have 11 gaps here. That means 11 into 2000, we will get 22,000 units. So last one is our answer. Fourth one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. How many packets of 1 by 6 kg sugar can be made from 3 1 by 4 kg of sugar? So 1 by 16 kg means for 1 kg we need to divide 16 packets. Total we have 3 1 by 4 kgs, right? First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 4s are 13 by 4. We have total 13 by 4 kgs. So multiply this 16 with this value. 13 by 4 into 16. 16 4 1s are 4 4s are. So 13 4s are 52 packets we can make. Okay. First one is our answer. Otherwise you can do like this also. Simply write this 3 1 by 4 upon 1 by 16, because we need to make 1 by 6 kg packets out of these 3 1 by 4 kgs. Okay, so first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 4s are, so 13 by 4 into 16 by 1. 4 1s are, 4 4s are, so 52 packets. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Hari started his journey at 1840. 1840 means 6:40 p.m. and finished at 22:20. That means 10:20 p.m. It is very simple to convert this railway time into usual time. Just simply subtract 12 hours from the given time. Okay. Now calculate the difference between these two numbers. 6:40 p.m. That means if I add 20 minutes here, it will be 7 p.m. From 7 p.m. to 10:20 p.m. 320 minutes again. So totally 3 hours 40 minutes. First one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. A bucket of capacity 2000 milliliter is to be filled by using the containers measuring. Here they have given 200 ml measuring jar and 300 ml measuring jar. With help of these two measuring jars, we have to measure the total capacity of the bucket, that is 2000 ml. Okay, they have given 4 options. Let's check one by one. Okay, first one 200 into first pair 1 and 300 into 6. Here I will get 200, here I will get 1800. So total gives us 2000 ml. This is right. First one is right statement. Second one 4 4. So 200 into 4 and 300 into 4. So 4s are 800, 3 4s are 12. So here also you will get 2000 ml. Okay, this is also, second one is also correct combination. Let's check the third option. 200 into 7 plus 2 into 300 into 2. We will get 1400 plus 600. Here also 2000 ml. Okay, this is also correct statement. This is the wrong statement. So that is why this is our answer. Let's check that option also. So 200 ml into 6 plus 300 ml into 3. Here you will get 1200 ml plus here 900 ml, which gives us 2100 ml. So this is the wrong option. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is the best approximation of 7.1 into 3.85 by 9.09? Here we need to bring all these numbers to the nearest integers. So 7.1 into 3.85 by 9.09. 7.1 is near to 7. So 3.85 is near to 4. And 9.09 is near to 9. They have not given 9.9. They have given 9.09. 9.09 equal to almost equal to 9.1. Okay. So this is our answer. Whenever the fraction part of any number is less than 0.5, then round that value to the nearest integer which is less than that number. For example, we have in this case 7.1. 7.1 is less than 7.5. That means we have to round this value to 7 only, not 8. Okay. Likewise 3.85 is greater than 3.5, that means but not 3. Okay, here also we should not round the 7.1 to 8. Okay, let's move on to the next question. First draw the grid here. Okay, what they have given, each grid area is 4 square units. Okay, unit square. 4 means a square is equal to 4, side will be 2, that means side is 2 for this square. Okay, now split these portions. How many portions we have in this? Total we have 8 grids. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 grids we have here. So each side 2 centimeter here. Write these 2 here. So we have to calculate the perimeter, right? So total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 twos are 24 unit square. Third one is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. A child scored 75 marks in each 5 subjects. So 75 75 75 75 75. What is the median marks obtained by the child? 75 is the answer. After arranging all the numbers in ascending or descending, whatever the middle value is there, that is our median. So here 75 is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following can be folded in the form of given solid? So they have given tetrahedron. Tetrahedron has 4 equilateral triangles. If you observe the third option, we have only 3 triangles here. That means this is not right answer. Let's check the other options one by one. First one you cannot arrange. Fourth one also you cannot arrange. If you have a figure like this, it is some here we have a triangle like this, and other triangle like this, the triangle like this, other triangle, all are equilateral triangle. So if I fold all these triangles to some apex point, then I'll get this tetrahedron. So second one is the correct answer. Let's move on to the next question. If the red part in the following pie chart is 40, what is the white part? So here red part is 1 by 2, that is equal to 40. And they are asking about white part. White part here is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 we need to find. Here if you want to get this 1 by 8 value, you have to multiply this 1 by 2 with 1 by 4, right? See, if I multiply this 1 by 2 with 1 by 4, then only I will get 1 by 8. Likewise, if you want to get this value here, you have to multiply this 40 with 1 by 4. Okay, so 40 into 1 by 4 you will get 10. Okay, second one is a answer. Second approach, 1 by 2 is equal to 40. So out of 2 parts, one part is red here and one part is equal to 40. One part is equal to 40 means total 2 parts is equal to 80. One part is 40 means 2 parts 80. So out of this 80, just to multiply, what is the part of white here? So 1 by 8th part is here. That means multiply this 1 by 8th part. You will get the white part. How much? 10. So this is second approach. Second one is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Observe the following solid shape. Which of the following is the top view of the given solid? If you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bricks here. That means option should not be these two. Okay. From the top view, there should be 4 squares. Okay. This is front view. If you observe from front, then only you will get this view. This is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following cost more? 200 packets of 250 each. So first one 200 packets of 250 each. Second one 20 dozens of 250 each. They have given 20 dozens. That means you have to multiply this 20 with 12 of each 250. So actually what you need to do, we need to find the values here, but no need to do that. calculation here. Here also 250, here also 250. Compare these values. Here 200. 20 into 12, that means 240. This is bigger value. That means second one is the answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Sum of 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and so on up to infinite. Even number of terms they are asking. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 and so on up to infinite. So even number of terms means 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So first let us take two numbers. So 0 net. If I take 4 numbers, this cancel, these two cancel. So 0 here also. If I take 6 numbers, these two will be cancelled. So these two will be cancelled and these two will be cancelled. For all even number of terms, I am getting 0. So first one is our answer. I have covered maths content based previous year questions from December 2018 to December 2024. In upcoming videos, I will cover maths methodology based previous year questions. So stay tuned with my channel. I have put all these videos playlist wise. Please find my videos, go through them once. Those will be very useful for your upcoming exam. Before winding up this session, I have a small request. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel because it will boost me to do more videos. Okay. Thank you all. We meet in the next video.